I also ordered the Pro Keratin shampoo and conditioner, and my canopy keeps falling. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Afia Khan, and if you're seeing me for the very first time, it means you haven't yet subscribed. So please go ahead, join the family, subscribe to my channel. Now I needed a couple of things, my mom needed a couple of things, so we thought of ordering everything from Amazon, and here it is lying and quite messed up. But I'm gonna be showing you everything, and please do not mind this makeup. I didn't intend to wear it with this, but I actually wore it for some other shoot that I did earlier, and I thought this makeup really deserves to be on my face for a little while, so didn't remove it, just changed quickly, and here I am. Yeah, let's just get started. Now all the things that I bought comprises of kitchen items, tech, beauty, skincare and hair care. So I think these are the 4 categories mainly. I'm gonna just quickly wrap up the kitchen items. So number 1 is this manual chopper. So this is the chopper, and this basically comes with a blade inside, and then with the blade you need to put the lid. It very nicely just secures, and then it comes with this handle where you need to put your fingers and just do this. This is so easy for your everyday cooking. This is the first day, it just came today, and amazing experience you guys. So we've used this for tomatoes and onions. You need to chop them, dice them, and then put them inside and just kind of do this. This is so easy. I will also leave a descriptive thing going on here so that you can see how it works. This is an amazing product. And then I have something in the same category. This is also a chopper, but this is basically for everything tiny like ginger and dry fruits and then garlic. You just need to put them inside, lock it in a proper position, and then just do this. This is so simple. Something that I again recommend. I think we got this for 170 or 180, and this definitely is a very cool thing to have in your kitchen. Oh my god. And then moving on to the last kitchen item that I have to show you is this. Okay. So this basically is a silicone mat, and this is used for the time that you are making rotis. Now whenever you make rotis on your basic patla and belan, your kitchen table tends to get so dirty, and then you need to keep cleaning it all the time. Lockdown has really made all of us work a lot, from cleaning to cooking, and then I think this thing has made my mom's life so much better. So whenever she's cooking, she just places this on the table, and then you keep your basic patla, or I think you can also use this to make your rotis. This can be the surface you need, and this is so easy. You just make rotis on it, and then just go to the basin and then just dust this out. This is a great thing to keep in your kitchen. Again, moving on, I'm going to be talking about hair care. The number 1 thing that I have is this. So this is basically a silk bonnet and is used for your hair. You need to wear it like your regular shower cap. This is a silk cap. This comes with double-sided silk material. When you're especially sleeping on a cotton pillow cover, there's a friction that happens between your hair and your pillow cover. All the moisture is soaked by the pillow cover, which leaves your hair feeling more frizzy, and then also there's breakage, there's split ends, etc. So when you wear this, your hair's natural moisture is retained. There is no friction happening, and then I think this is a perfect thing to have if you do not have satin pillow covers. Just wear this cap and go to sleep. I'm not going to be showing you how to wear this cap right now because my hair will get spoiled, but this thing is definitely something that I've been using for about a month now, and the only visible difference that I see is that every morning I get up, my hair feels pretty in place, if that makes sense. So yeah, next up I have this hairspray, which is from Saint Botanica. It is their Pro Keratin and Argan Oil hairspray. Now this is an anti-frizz treatment which helps to detangle your hair, also provides shine into your hair, and is something that I've been using for over 6 months. This is like my second bottle. I really like this product. Now what I usually do is I have like frizzy hair, especially on the day when I wash my hair. It looks very frizzy just like today, and I just like to spray it on my hair and then brush it out. This also leaves my hair smelling really nice. It is free of parabens, silicone, and no mineral oil, so definitely something that you should keep in your hair care routine. I really like this product, and I absolutely love their Pro Keratin range, which is why I also ordered the Pro Keratin shampoo and conditioner. This is the combo, and you also get a straightener free with it, by the way, just if you're interested. So this is like intense hair repair for dry, damaged and colored hair. Now I do not color my hair, but I do use henna once in a while, which leaves my hair very dry and frizzy. So I really love the keratin spray, and I ordered these. I haven't even removed the packaging. I haven't started using it, but I've heard great things about it. Like I mentioned, this is free from parabens and sulfate. Always include a sulfate free shampoo for your hair care routine. And yeah, this is it. And then what I have is something that I've been loving currently. Okay, you guys have already seen it in 2 of my videos if you follow me on Instagram. Gentle reminder, follow me on my Instagram. This is the thing. This is actually a hair spa cap. So when you go to the salons, they have this big machine, electronic machine, that gives your hair a good steam after they've applied a mask and stuff. And this is something that you can keep at home, and the fact that it is so inexpensive, I thought I should definitely get my hands on this one. Now I'm going to quickly show you how this works. So this is basically a cap. The material is satin over here, and then inside we have plastic. Then we have this thing right here which helps to, you know, reduce the size for like smaller heads and stuff. So cute. You need to put this on however you like, and then you have this remote right here. You plug this in the switch, and then after this is on, you have 2 buttons, which is the low and high. You set the temperature according to your need. After just plugging it for about 1 minute or 2 minutes, this starts warming up and gives your hair like a nice steam. This is perfect if you have oiled your hair or used a hair mask. This helps the product seep into your roots very nice. The only drawback is that the wire is very small, so you need to sit where you've plugged in for like 15-20 minutes. That's the only issue, but I think otherwise this is a great product. And then what I have are fairy lights. I didn't have something in silver color, so I ordered it from Amazon, but this is the color. This is not literally silver, this is blue. But I don't know, I mean, I'm such a lazy person when it comes to returning products and stuff, so I just kept it with me. I thought kabhi na kabhi use aa jayega. So this is in this weird bluish color which looks silver, but when you put it behind, it looks blue. So this does not heat up and is safer and lasts long. And then I have to show you guys something super fancy. Get ready. Ta-da! This is a 24 karat gold mask. Yes, everything is just so fancy about this product. Look at the packaging. I think this is too much of wastage. I will not be able to even use this thing again because this doesn't come out. I tried, okay, I tried, but this doesn't come out. And this is how the mask looks like. Okay, what is this thing right here? I have used Saint Botanica products, and this is something that was very fancy, and I thought I should really kind of get my hands on this. Oh my god, I can't stop doing this. This is so funny. Okay, it has pure 24 karat gold in it. Are you guys ready to see how this mask looks like? 3, 2, 1. So this is how the mask looks like. If I come close enough, you guys can probably see the particles. Can you see it? So this is something that I actually got for my mom, because this is like an anti-aging mask, because gold is an anti-aging product. This has retinol, this has vitamins, this has aloe vera, this has 24 karat gold. This has been used by my mom for about 2 to 3 times only. She's like, I'm not gonna use too much because it's so expensive, let's just preserve it. But this does leave her skin feeling a lot fresh, glowy and firmer. So yeah, this does work, and this is a nice product except the fragrance part. So maybe you should give this disco ball a try. Moving on, I have some makeup related thing to show you guys. This is the Lakme 9 to 5 foundation, which has primer plus a matte perfect cover foundation. This is also something that I'm wearing right now. So this is like a 25 ml bottle, and I am in the shade W240 warm beige. Now this has built-in primer, matte foundation with SPF 20. Okay. Flawless finish, perfect cover, long wear foundation, medium to high buildable coverage. Yeah, I think this truly stands for whatever it says, and the fact that it was only for $3.99. Yes, only $3.99, you guys. So affordable, and this is made in India. Next, I have the Good Old Fit Me concealer in the shade 25 medium, and this concealer is perfect for my skin tone. This is like, I guess, 3 shades lighter. I love how it sits on me. I love how it blends. I love the formula, the texture. The price is also affordable. So after the Elegant Pro Conceal Concealer, this is my favorite. And next I have something again from Maybelline. This is the Colossal Mascara, and this is like one of the first mascaras that Maybelline launched, and since then has been my favorite mascara. One important tip that I want to give you guys is that do not use a waterproof mascara on an everyday daily basis. Now I have to put on makeup every day because I'm shooting and stuff, but please do not use a waterproof mascara. It leads to a lot of lash fallout and is not good, because then you're going to be very harsh when you're removing it. And I'm also currently wearing it. I'm just going to add an extra coat. This one is perfect for everyday use. It's not like, oh my god, wow mascara, but for an everyday inexpensive thing, I think this does a great job. Moving on to the last category of this haul, that is tech. The first thing that I want to show you guys is this. It's a tripod, and this actually comes in with this case that you can actually, you know, carry around if you're going outside and stuff. And then this box. So this is one of the Amazon Basics recommendation, which totally means that, you know, this is going to be of great quality. And this tripod is something that I use on an everyday basis. It is great because this is like 50 inches. I don't think you can use this when you're standing, but every time that you're sitting on a height, like I'm always sitting on a height. I'm currently using my ring light, but otherwise I'm always using this stuff, and this is of great quality, you guys. Earlier I did purchase, like my first tripod was a very sasta thing, because obviously I was starting out and uske pair haath sab toot gaye the, so I had to get this one. This is my everyday things. Like my mom gets excited with kitchen items, I get excited with tech, especially tripods and stuff. But this does not come with this thing. Now this tripod can be used for both your camera and your phone. This is where you mount your camera, and this is also where you can mount your phone, but you will need this thing. So this thing is actually something that you'll have to externally buy. This was not available with this one. So a great thing. And if you're someone who's starting out for YouTube or for videos and stuff, I think please invest in a good tripod. मैंने नहीं किया था, but honestly अगर आप सस्ती चीज़ लोगे तो वो जल्दी खराब हो जाएगी, and then you'll have to buy it again and again. So rather take a good quality one. I'm going to be leaving this link down below. Yeah, this is the tech thing that I want to show. I'm not very great at explaining tech, so please excuse that, but this sums up that it's a great thing to own. And then moving on to the last item, I have to show you guys this. So this is the Boya BY-MM1 microphone. This is a mic. If you see a lot of YouTube videos, you guys have seen creators using this mic mounted on their camera. This thing helps to reduce background noise. It can be used with your tablets, with your phone, with your camera, with your video camera, with your laptop. So this is like a great thing for beginners if you're like starting out. There are other expensive microphones in the market, but I think I saw a lot of videos and they all recommended this, so I went ahead and bought this. It is a great thing to invest in if you want like good quality videos, good quality audio. The best part about this is only that you can use it for your phone, tablets, laptops, camera, etc. And this is actually it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, let me know in the comments which thing you really liked, or what things are you going to purchase, and if you want me to do more haul videos, or what next you want me to do. And I will see you guys very soon in my next one. Bye.